You know the feeling, instant relief, until... Hi friends, Gabe with Mighty Fortress. Today we're going to show you a random trick that you may never need, but if you do, you'll be super glad you do. We're going to flush a toilet with a 5-gallon bucket. Our first caveat or warning before you ever try to flush a toilet with a bucket is you need to be fairly confident that it's not clogged. It's just simply that the tank has run out of water. If it's clogged, you need a plunger, and that's a totally different situation. If your toilet's clogged and you take a bucket and pour water in it, that water is just going to overflow all over your bathroom floor. So you may be asking yourself, when would I ever need this? There are 3 general occasions that flushing a toilet manually with a bucket might come in handy. Number 1, you're working on your toilet. You've got the toilet tank parts all out, you haven't got it all fixed, and you need to go, so you need to flush. Very probable case. Second case is occasionally water gets shut off by the utility company, and maybe someone else has already flushed, and you need to flush, if you know what I mean. The third reason, and very unlikely, would be in the event of a zombie apocalypse. And all utilities are gone, and you just need some sense of normalcy in your life. Obviously, in this little demonstration, you're going to need a water source to fill up your bucket with. If your toilet tank's disassembled and you're working on it, and you have your bathtub, obviously you can fill it up. Other options would be borrowing water from a neighbor's house, actually just having 2 gallons of water on hand in your house for drinking purposes. You can use a swimming pool, or even in a really random situation, if you had a pond nearby, you could get a bucket of water there. So in general, most toilets use approximately 2 gallons of water to flush. So the 5-gallon bucket works perfect if you fill it up approximately halfway. In order for this trick to work, you have to kind of dump the water in so that it gets a large volume of water in very quickly to simulate the tank filling in. If you pour it in real slow, it will slowly drain and not flush appropriately. So just don't be too shy with it. As you can see, it made that satisfying flush sound, and you know you did it right. Oh, and one other thing. If our video wasn't too crappy to watch, subscribe to our YouTube channel or check us out at mightyfortressacademy.com. Thanks, and see you next time.